If you work hard every month, get paid, pay bills, and still feel like money disappears too fast, this video is for you. You're not lazy. You're not bad with money. You were simply never taught how wealth actually grows. Let me tell you a simple story. Imagine two people earning the same salary. One works for 10 years and feels stuck. The other slowly builds wealth. The difference isn't luck. It's not intelligence. It's not even income. The difference is what they do with their money after they get paid. Most people spend first and hope something is left. Wealth builders plan first and let money work for them. That's what we're breaking down today. Step 1 is to fix your money mindset first. Before money grows, your thinking must change. Money is not just something to spend. Money is a tool. Think of money like seeds. If you eat all the seeds today, nothing grows tomorrow. But if you plant some, even small ones, they multiply over time. Wealth starts when you stop asking, "How much can I spend?" and start asking, "How much can I grow?" Step 2 is simple but non-negotiable. Spend less than you earn. If money goes out faster than it comes in, wealth is impossible. No strategy can fix that. You don't need to be extreme, you just need a gap. That gap, even a small one, is where wealth begins. Think of it like building a house. If there's no foundation, nothing stands. Saving is the foundation. Step 3 is to build a safety net before investing. Before chasing returns, build security. Life happens. Emergencies, medical bills, job changes. If you invest without a safety net, fear will force you to sell at the wrong time. Start with a simple emergency fund, a few months of basic expenses. This doesn't make you rich. It makes you stable, and stability gives confidence. Step 4 is learning the basics of investing. Investing is not gambling. It's ownership. When you invest, you're buying a small piece of a business, an idea, or an economy. You don't need to be an expert. You don't need to predict the market. Beginners win by starting early, staying consistent, and thinking long-term. Slow growth, done consistently, beats chasing fast money every time. Step 5 is letting time do the heavy lifting. This is where most people fail. Patience. Wealth doesn't explode. It compounds. Like farming, you plant, you water, you wait. The first year looks boring. The 5th year looks different. The 10th year looks powerful. Time rewards discipline. Here's the key lesson most people miss. Wealth is not built by how much you make, but by how well you manage, protect, and grow what you keep. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to start and stay consistent. If this video helped you see money differently, like it helps more people find this message. Subscribe to Money and Mastery if you want simple, step-by-step guidance to build real wealth without confusion. And in the next video, I'll break down exact beginner-friendly strategies you can start using immediately, even with a small income. Drop a comment below and tell me, what's your biggest struggle with money right now? This is Money and Mastery, where we don't just chase money, we master it so we can master life.